Hello traders, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. In this video I will make a directional call, meaning which way Bitcoin is going to go, in my opinion, up or down, and the answer is most probably up, and I will explain why. First, let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, if you have a sharp eye, you will see that what we have here resembles a cup and handle very much. Not a cup and handle yet, but a cup and handle in the making. We have an upwards movement followed by a rounding bottom. A rounding bottom, let's say, like this. Okay? Now, if we will get this rounding bottom pattern, the target for the cup and handle is, let's say, about 30,400. Okay? Now, if Bitcoin does make it to 30,400, then it will be clearer that what we have here is also a rounding bottom, meaning a cup and handle inside a cup and handle. See? And if this happens, we are looking at a 40% move from the breakout, which gets us to 34K. Now, this also fits with what Bollinger says. John Bollinger, the author of Bollinger Bands, he says in his book about Bollinger Bands, he says that when the Bollinger Bands tighten, it's the best thing to do for a trader is to position himself against the majority of the market, because when the majority of the market is bearish, it's time to be bullish. So it fits very well with John Bollinger's advice, because we see that the Bollinger Band here is very tight, extremely tight. So we may have an explosive move, and everyone is looking for a bearish move. We may have a surprise here. What I'm going to do next week is that I'm going to bid the lower levels beginning from 28,740 to 28,500, 28,250, because the bands are very tight, and what I'm expecting to happen is a false move down as a liquidity grab, and then a move up, consolidation, and another move up. I'm not saying it will happen, but this is a scenario I'm running in my mind, and in my opinion, if this happens, it will going to blast a lot of traders, because the sentiment is extremely bearish, and when the sentiment is extremely bearish, unexpected moves happen. So this is what I'm running in my mind for next week, and this is how I'm going to try and play it. Please share in the comments or on Twitter, share with me what are your thoughts, what are you doing, because the whole point of this YouTube channel is to have a conversation between traders. Okay, so I would very much like your comments and or I don't know, DMs or whatever. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and I wish you all the best. I will see you in the next video.